All right, welcome guys. So this is the Tecno Spark 7 to which we did a screen replacement. You can see the old screen right here, but then it's pointless to do a screen replacement yet leave it vulnerable to failure in the future. That's where we bring you a video to how to place a screen guard almost perfectly on your smartphone. I say almost because but this guarantees that you hit at the most levels of perfection. Anyway, that said, first things first, you have to remove the screen guard from its casing, and then roughly estimate its boundaries around the screen, like that. This is to give you a rough proportionality of how it should perfectly sit. And then having done that, you can note how much distance from the edge and from the edge of the glass that you need, so that when you unstick it, you're able to reproduce that. So that said, I am going to remove this protective membrane that comes with a replacement screen, like that, and then clean the under. Having cleaned the under, and then bring the two together. So I'm going to use this cotton cloth to help me polish that dirt out. Okay,